Listen to that motherfucker. That motherfucker is retarded. That bitch is stupid. That bitch is stupid. Listen to that motherfucker. That bitch sounds stupid. We got another junkyard run real quick. Walk around that. We got another junkyard run. We gotta go to that the convertible, and we gotta get those pillar pieces off, because I noticed the other day when I was test fitting my dash piece, it had I had the wrong pillars on there, because I forgot the 98 to 2002. It's different. It's different from 93 to 94. We're 93 to 97. So we gotta get these pillars off. So we just got here to the car. Hopefully it's still there. That's one and that's two. Gotta get these off, because this right here is the difference. Let me show y'all on the other side. Show y'all on the other side. Hold up. Damn, they drilled the hole in the tail light. But this is different right here. That right there. The other one goes like a moon, crescent moon. So yeah, we gotta get these off. Just two. It don't take much. Just two little bolts. The crazy part is, I gotta hide them because I left my wallet. But we got it. Hold on. Ooh, that thing look good too. Ooh. What up, y'all? We back. And man, today's video, we about to check out this 71 Donk that my boy just finished up. He's been to my car show a couple times. And hey, he just redid the car. Let me cut this damn key off. He just redid it. Man, that thing looking good. That thing looking good. Let's go. But yeah, man. So let me call him and get him out here so we can check out this bad boy. YouTube. Look at this thing, man. I just talked to him. This thing is sick. Boy, y'all see it. Dang. This thing is Ooh, man, look at that. Beautiful paint. Y'all see that reflection? God. My boy did his thing on there. He said he's coming outside this year. Yes, sir. This thing is it. 71 Impala. He got he got over 170 hours, and just the body on this thing, boy. MTW bullets, 26s. I want to say this is a 5-inch lip. Look at the look at the lip on that thing. Dang. Caprice option seats. Yeah, this thing is beautiful, man. It is real beautiful. Yes, sir. 80,000 original miles. My dude drives this on the highway. This thing is, ooh. Yes, sir. Beautiful car. Original 400. 71. 71. Let me open this door for y'all. Let's see. Let's open this door. Look at that. Man. Did everything. There go. Ooh, got them Sandman designs in there. Okay. Shout out to Sandman. Dunk parts. Look at that. 81,000. Ooh. Yeah. This thing's beautiful, man. Real beautiful car. I like this a lot. Yes, sir. That's a little walk around under 71. Man, this thing's gorgeous. Got to do a couple more little things though. A little more upgrades he's doing to it before he's all the way outside. You know what I'm saying? Let's just look down the side of this thing. Let's look down the side. Y'all be talking. He's about. Ooh, look at that. Look at that body, man. That thing's straight. You know it ain't no. You gotta have the vents on the 71, boy. 71. That's what makes it 71 in my opinion. The vents on the trunk. Yes, sir. Shout out to the painter who laid this thing out. But yeah, your boy, I'm gonna get y'all some good B-roll shots and get some of these pictures, man. Hit me up this morning to come look at it, because he just got it put back together. So, man, this thing is beautiful. 71. Ooh. Man, y'all, hold on. Let me show y'all these gaps. Just look. Look how it's shut. Boy, please. Y'all, man, y'all not. Look at the door gaps on that thing. Consistent all the way down. Look at that, man. Y'all door gaps like that? I don't think so. I don't think so. Look at this. Consistent. Consistency is key. Consistency is key, man. It ain't just all the way around the gaps is good. Yes, sir. On the 71. Let me get these pictures, man. I'll give it to you in a minute. Man, so it started raining, so we had to end it real quick. So I didn't get to get y'all no B-roll, but I hope y'all enjoyed that little footage that I did get. But yeah, man, we gotta get up out of here. So y'all know what to do. We're going up 2026. I ain't man. I'm not gonna make no excuses, because you can't make no excuses, but the weather happens, and you know, people don't want their car in the rain, and I don't blame them, because that motherfucker's beautiful. It's real beautiful. But I don't know, I gotta go to pull apart too today. So when I go pick my son up, we're gonna go finish our pull apart mission. Hey y'all. Oh shit, we got her up. We gotta go grab these parts. Oh, oh shit. Oh, oh, we running through here. Look. Oh shit. Oh. We are running. Oh, whoa. We gotta be strategic. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Gotta go get these parts from the other day that we left when we left my wallet. So we gotta get these parts real quick. We back over here. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Let me grab these parts. Hold on. Look, all my parts still right there. Let me grab those out of here. Got it. Jeez. Here we go. Man. Complete. I really need a gas cap. I have to find me one. Now. Ooh. This thing got some more stuff to it though, but I had to come and get that, and it's starting to pour down rain. Make sure before I leave today, if I don't need nothing else. I don't know why this is out here. This ain't got nothing to do with that. Get that bullshit out of here. Ooh. Let's see. Do I need anything else before I get out of here today? I should get these visors. They in better shape than mine, the board is. But wait to come back another day because it's pouring down rain. So I got to go. Let me get my stuff and we out of here. Yeah. Get my stuff. You know what I'm saying? Look at this shit. Oh. Man. I don't think I need nothing else, but I'll catch y'all in a minute. We secured the merchandise. Chevy, open the door.